Hi, my name is Rishika Sugan. So I'm going to explain my PBT question. So this is my PBT question. So the task is about in the company you are assigned as a network administrator, you have been tasked to set up a network infrastructure topology as shown in figure 1 below using for AWS console root account. So your design topology should consist of a VPC with public and private subnet. A total number of 3 EC2 instances will be used in topology. You will have a web server, a data server for your web server, and an NAT instance for the database server to access to the internet. Your web server should also be accessible via your domain name. So this is the AWS network topology. The North Virginia is US East 1. The availability zone is for VPC, PBU, VPC, and the IP address is 10.0.0.0/16. For the public subnet, the IP address is 10.0.1.0/24. Uh, in public subnet, I have two EC2 and one security group. So the EC2 name is web and NAT, and the security group is the name is web server. For the web subnet is the IP address 10.0.2.0/24. In private subnet, they have one EC2 and one security group. For the EC2, the name is DB and the security group is database server. And for the main route table is public subnet and the second route table is a private subnet. Okay, first we have to create VPC. Then we have to create. So the VPC name is PBU VPC. Have to put here. Then the IP address is this. 10.0.0./16. So we have to stay default and then create. Okay, it's successfully created VPC. And then now we have to create subnet and select PBU VPC. I have to go to the question. So the IP address is 10.0.1.0/24. North Virginia. Okay. The subnet name is we have to put PBU VPC public over here. PBU VPC public. The IP address is 10.0.1.0/16. Then add subnet. The second subnet name is PBU VPC private. Private. Okay, the preference is the IP address is 10.0.2.0/16, and then we have to create the subnet now. Just now I put /16, the real number is /24. So now we can create the subnet. Okay. So it successfully created the subnet to subnet ready, and then now we have to do the internet gateway. Create it. So the first one is we have to put BBU VPC dash IGW. BBU VPC dash IGW. And then create. And we have to create another one. Okay, next is we have to do route table. Okay, for the route table, we have to put PBU VPC dash RT1. I have to select PBU VPC and then create. Again, we have to create another one. For that, we have to put PBU VPC dash RT2. And then create it. Okay, next we have to click on VPC RT1 action, and then select edit routes, and then we have to add route. Edit route 000, we have to select it. Then here internet gateway. Okay, now we can save the changes. Sorry, before we edit the route, we have to do in EC2 first. We have to open link in new tab. And then to see